What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the black and white display issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now scroll down and here tap on additional settings. Now in additional settings tap on accessibility and then go to the VN tab and here tap on color correction. Now if you have enabled this color correction button, then turn it back off. So enabling the color correction will make your screen black and white. So to fix the black and white screen issue, turn off color correction. But after turning off color correction, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings, tap on display and brightness, and if you have switched to dark mode, then sometime it may cause the black and white display glitch. So switch back to light mode and it will help you to fix the black and white display. Now after this, if you're still facing the issue, then the last solution is open settings again, tap on about phone, scroll down and tap on factory reset. Now tap on erase all data to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset your phone back to factory default and everything from your phone will be deleted, including contacts, photos, videos, apps, accounts, everything will be deleted. So after this, the black and white screen display issue will be 100% fixed. So that's how you can fix the black and white display issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.